Alright guys, Aaron with Quality Service Today Plumbing here. I was going to make a video right quick. Sometimes you get poor water pressure. Mine's not too bad, but I wanted to show you how to do it. You gotta be careful not to scratch this up. But this is your aerator. Some of them you need a tool to unscrew out of the face. But you're gonna unscrew this. Look at all that trash that's in there. Rinse that trash out of there. The other thing that you can do, this one may not have it, there's a screen right here. You pop that out and there's an O-ring. Take that O-ring out, flow restrictor, get a little bit more pressure, a little bit more flow. I've already taken this one out, looks like. But you just take a little pick and pull that little O-ring out of there. Screw it back on. Boom. A lot more flow. It wasn't even that bad to start with. That's how you fix some water flow issues. If it's beyond that, at that point you take the supply line off underneath the sink, point it in a bucket, turn it on, see if that has good flow. There could be something wrong with the faucet itself if it's beyond this, but always remember that bucket trick helps.